Are page numbers in Word driving you crazy? Here's the fastest way to fix them. First, open the Insert tab in Microsoft Word. Click Page Number, then choose where you want the numbers to appear. For most documents, the bottom of the page works best. Select a simple style, and Word will automatically add page numbers to every page. Close this view by clicking the Close Header and Footer button. You can easily change the position or style of the page numbers. Just return to Insert, Page Number, and select another option. Word automatically updates the numbering across the entire document. Many documents, like reports or theses, should not show a page number on the first page. Double-click the footer, then check Different First Page. Word removes the number from the first page automatically while keeping the rest. On the second page, the numbering now starts with 2. To fix it, go to Format Page Number and set page numbering to start at 0. Now the numbering starts with 1 on page 2. If you want page numbers to start later in the document, you have to create a section break. Place the cursor at the very beginning of the page where you want the numbering to start. Go to Layout, Breaks, and click Next Page. Then double-click the footer on that page and turn off Link to Previous. Now you can insert page numbers starting from this section only. Navigate to Page Number, then Format Page Numbers, and set the start value to 1. Doing this will set the numbering on page 3 to start with number 1. You can also change how page numbers appear. Select Page Number, Format Page Numbers. Here you can choose Roman numerals or set chapter numbers. If this video was useful, subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you soon!